Ever wondered how to shape your plants perfectly? Welcome to the Art of Pruning, a crucial aspect of plant care that enhances both health and aesthetics. Today, we'll guide you step by step through effective pruning. Ready to bring out the best in your plants? Let's dive in. So, why do we prune plants? It's simple. Pruning promotes plant health, improves form, and controls growth. It's like giving your plants a rejuvenating spa day. Plus, it's a fantastic method to stimulate flowering and fruiting. Understanding why we prune makes the process much more rewarding. Knowing when to prune is as important as knowing how to prune. The ideal timing hinges on the plant type and its blooming habits. Generally, late winter or early spring is most favorable. Remember, timing is everything in the art of pruning. Now let's get to the hands-on part, how to prune. Start by identifying the branches that need pruning. These could be dead, diseased, or overgrown branches. Once identified, make precise cuts at a 45-degree angle, about 1/4 of an inch above a bud. Always ensure your tools are clean and sharp to make the process seamless and to avoid introducing disease to the plant. Remember, pruning is an art. It takes practice, but the results are well worth it. So, that's the basics of pruning. Remember, it's key to plant health and timing is crucial. Follow the steps we've covered for effective pruning. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. Happy pruning!